Welcome to qnawire.
The capability score is given as the upper specification limit minus the lower specification limit over 6 times the standard deviation. And our upper is given as 50, our lower is 44, and the standard deviation is 2. And so that's going to be 6 over 12, which is 0.5. To find the percentage of eggs that fall within the specification limits, we need to use the properties of the normal distribution, specifically the area under the curve within the range specified by the limits. So we need a z-score for the lower specification limit, which should be 44 minus 47 over 2, which is negative 1.5, and a z-score for the upper specified limit, which was 50, and that's 1.5. So the probability that we're within the limits here would be the probability that z is less than 1.5 minus the probability that z is less than negative 1.5. If you're using the table, it always reads to the left. That's 0.9332 minus 0.0668, and that's 0.8664. So the percentage within the limits is 86.64%. And for part C, if the farmer aims to achieve a capability score of 2/3, which corresponds to reducing defects to 4.5% of the distribution, we need to calculate the required standard deviation. So the defects is 4.5%, that's 0.045. We want to find the z-score for 4.5% defect rate. So the z-score corresponding to 4.5% from the normal distribution tables is about 1.645. And so we'll calculate the new standard deviation, where we have the upper specified specification limit minus the lower specification limit equals 6 times the standard deviation. And so that's 6 equals 6 times the standard deviation, and that would then mean the standard deviation should be 1 gram.